Hello guys, welcome to SDK Dailies. My name is Abubakar Sadiq Al-Fulani. Today in this video I'm going to show you a secret way to send a message, because it is very important to keep all your personal information private, because most of the times when someone collects your phone, he will just go directly to your chat and keep scrolling and checking which kind of message you are sending or information. Alright, this application will help you to send your message secretly. Okay, without wasting our time, let's go to the video straight. Alright, yes, here is the application that I'm going to show you how to use it. This is the application, the Crypto. Alright, without wasting your time, just directly tap on this application. You can download it if you don't have it on your Google Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, you can download it on Apps Store. Alright, once you open the application, it will show you a window like this. Just drag this window aside. The next step is to tap on this icon, this encrypt icon. You can see the pad is locked now, so just tap on it. When you tap it, it will show you something like this. You have different options to use from here, but I'm going to use this binary code. Just tap on binary code. Alright, after tapping on that binary code, you just tap on this blank, this empty space. Alright, from here now you can just type your message directly. Assume that this is what I want to send to my friend, and it is very important. I don't want anyone to guess it. So I will just write my message here, like, just let me write anything you can write. Alright, as you can see, this is what I write. So you can write anything. This is just an example. I just want to show you how to do it. Alright, now after writing your whole message, you will just tap on this encrypt. Alright, after tapping encrypt, just look at this place, encrypted message. You can see now the whole information has been encrypted to 100100. You can see. Okay, the next thing you are going to do is just to hold and tap select all, then copy. Now after copying this message, assume that the person that you want to send the information is on WhatsApp or any other, even it is through message or whenever. Just assume that you are sending it to a WhatsApp contact. Now we'll just go directly and open your WhatsApp. I'm coming. Alright, this is WhatsApp. Just tap on WhatsApp. Oh, wait a moment. Alright, after opening WhatsApp, you can just go directly to the contact that you want to send the message to. Assume that I want to send it to this person now. I will just tap on this contact and select here. Alright, what I'm going to do is just to paste that message that I copy in the app. Alright, now I will just send it directly to him. Alright, as you can see now, I have sent the message and it has turned to binary code. What you have to do now is just to inform that your friend or the person you are sending the message to install the same app, that the Crypto. After installing the same app, he will just open his WhatsApp and copy the message that you sent to him. Now let me tap it here. Just tap and hold, then copy this message. Alright, after copying this message, as I tell you, have to tell him to install the app, the Crypto. Now assume that he has the application on his phone. He will just go to the application direct. Wait a moment. Alright, as you can see now, he want to decrypt. Decrypt means to open or to unlock. So your friend will just have to tap this decrypt. You see this padlock. Alright, so you have to tell him that the option you use, is it chaser code, binary code, or numeral code. So we use binary code. Now I will tap this binary code. Alright, after tapping this binary code, this thing will appear. So just tap on this empty blank, then he will just paste the message that he has copied from his WhatsApp. After that, you will just tap here, this place, decrypts. You see, after tapping decrypt, the message that I have hidden, that I hide it with that binary code now has appeared. As you can see, decrypted message, Geo pizza and even show up before I leave the house or the okay, and that's all. Kareda. So this is the message that sent to him. So using this secret way, you will send a secret message comfortably, knowing that nobody will guess what you send, because once someone open your message or your WhatsApp or your contact and see something 111, he will just think you are mad. He will just think you are sending something senseless, but you know what you send. Thanks all. To subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video and share to others. Thanks.